We will discuss the main items that make up a VBA project. Understanding these components is fundamental to organizing and managing your VBA code effectively. Let's start with an overview of the VBA project structure. At the top level, we have the VBA project. This is the container that holds all the components of your VBA code. Think of it as the root element that organizes everything within your project. Modules are where you write your VBA code. They contain procedures and functions that perform various tasks. Modules are essential for grouping related code together, making it easier to maintain and understand. Forms are used to create user interfaces. They allow you to design custom dialog boxes and user forms that can interact with your VBA code. Forms are useful for creating input forms, message boxes, and other interactive elements. Sheets refer to the individual worksheets in your Excel workbook. Each sheet can contain its own set of VBA code, which is specific to that particular worksheet. This allows for sheet-specific automation and customization. Understanding these main items, VBA project, module, form, and sheet, is crucial for effectively managing and organizing your VBA projects. Each component plays a specific role in the structure and functionality of your VBA applications.